that JLO Glow in a multitasking serum. You asked for it, you got it. You use this after cleansing. It's rich and luxurious. It took us 2 years to create this. We did over 20 versions to get this right. It's multitasking. It visibly firms and tightens. Literally, when you put it on your skin, you will feel it right away. It boosts radiance and luminosity. You put it all over. Get the neck. Don't forget your neck. Nobody else does. I heard somebody say that once. And then what I like to do is I like to let it dry. You let it dry and you can kind of feel it tighten. Sometimes I'll go and I'll do my hair in the meantime, but I want to let it dry for like 45 seconds to a minute. But you'll feel it. You'll feel it start to tighten, and then you'll see it to start glowing. You can see it already. I am very generous with this as well. I like to use a lot of this every day. And then after that, I follow with the Wonder Cream.